folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, and today I want to do a quick show on a very popular floor plan, the 2021 Jayco White Hawk 27 RB. Couple of really cool features about it. Outside table, I really like that feature. It is pre-wired for side and backup cameras. It's got electric stabilizers. It has a mount for a grill. And it also has an outside kitchen, all corrugated metal, no issues if it gets wet. Same warranty as all other Jaycos, 2-year bumper-to-bumper trigger on the chassis. Let's take a quick look inside. We are in the interior of the 27 RB. My favorite feature about this, I think, is the bathroom with really good storage. Check it out. Here in the very spacious interior of the 27 RB, you can see a wraparound dinette that 4 people can comfortably eat. The theater seating, fireplace with a TV, smart TV, and the 8 cubic fridge. Again, this is Raul at Worldwide RV. Come by, check this unit out. It's gorgeous.